Hello everyone, my name is Parth Sahani. If you are new to this channel, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And as I said, in this video series, I am going to cover this amazing book, which is Youth Arise Awake and Know Your Strength. So I would request you to see this video series from the first video itself in continuity. The title of the part 1 of this book is Youth Arise Awake. Okay, in this part 1 there are 6 chapters. We'll be covering each one separately. The 6 chapters of this part are: first is introduction, second is who is real youth, third is true education, fourth is strength is life, fifth is strength of character, and sixth is development of willpower. So without further delay, let's start the chapter 1 of part 1 with a smile and a quote. Okay, the quote is by Swami Vivekananda. He says, "Stand and die in your own strength. If there is any sin in this world, it is weakness. Avoid all the weakness, for weakness is sin, weakness is death." Such an amazing quote. So introduction of this chapter goes like: to cherish high ideals, to reach great heights in life, to come out with flying colors in all of one's endeavors to attain the desired goal, even after facing mighty obstacles, is the ambition of every youth. Focus on the word mighty obstacles. Mighty manje ke power, too much strengthy obstacles are also too much strengthy, but we face them, we move ahead. Okay, we learn from them. This ambition is really wonderful, marvelous, a sign of real youth. Without that, life is meaningless, useless and monotonous. एकदम रूटीन सा हो जाता है. Stagnant life is very dead. Okay, it is a sign of death. Go forward, go forward, go forward. Never look back for a moment. These are the encouraging words of great ones. Arise, awake and stop not till the goal is achieved. ये गो फॉरवर्ड वाले कोड से मेरे को एक बहुत अमेजिंग सी चीज़ याद आ गई है कि गोइंग फॉरवर्ड डज नॉट मीन गोइंग टू द फ्यूचर इन योर माइंड. इट अफेक्ट्स आवर प्रेजेंट. यू कैनॉट चेंज योर पास्ट, यू कैनॉट चेंज योर फ्यूचर, बट यू कैन मेक योर फ्यूचर डेफिनेटली. वॉट यू हैव इन योर हैंड इज़ योर प्रेजेंट. ओके, और एक और चीज़ कृष्ण भगवान ने कही थी कि भविष्य का सुख वर्तमान के दुख को कम नहीं करता है, परंतु भविष्य का दुख वर्तमान के सुख को खा जाता है. वर्तमान में रहना सीखो, अपना कर्म करना सीखो, फल की अपेक्षा मत रखो. और बहुत सारी बार अपने साथ कैसा होता है कि अपने लोग यहाँ पर है ना, ऐसी ऐसी सिचुएशंस बना लेते हैं जो होने भी नहीं वाला है. ठीक है, उसकी वजह से अपने एंग्जियस हो जाते हैं और अपना प्रेजेंट बिगाड़ देते हैं. ठीक है, तो इसके लिए मैंने एक चीज़ बहुत सही सी जय शेट्टी सर ने सिखाई थी. सो इट इज़ लाइक whenever we get anxious, it is because when our mind is ahead of our body or our body is ahead of mind, so we need to get them into sync. उसका एक बहुत सही सा प्रैक्टिस है. We need to count in mind 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and sync our respiration. Inspiration 1 2 3 4, expiration 1 2 3 4. ओके, तो वो सिंक में आ जाता है अपना माइंड और बॉडी, तो अपनी एंग्जाइटी कम हो जाती है, विच वर्क्स, डेफिनेटली वर्क्स. आई हैव ट्राइड इट मेनी टाइम्स पर्सनली. Give this thing a try whenever you get anxious. Try this exercise and let me know in the comment box below that it works. I know it definitely works because it has worked for me thousands of times. So moving forward, arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. May these inspiring words of Swami Vivekananda ring in the minds of our youth day and night. Succeed, you must. Nothing to despair, nothing to lower your spirit. You have within you the power. You have within you the infinite strength to reach your goal, to achieve everything that you wish to achieve. You may not be aware of it. Try to know your strength, hidden strength, the infinite strength. Awake to rise, rise to long, long to achieve, and achieve to fulfill. Always remember the spirited words of Swami Vivekananda. Stand up, be bold, take the whole responsibility on your own shoulders, and know that you are the creator of your own destiny. So this was the introductory chapter of this part 1. और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से एक और अमेजिंग कोट याद आया जो मेरे को मेरे भैया ने कहा था, राहिल भैया ने. सो इट इज़ लाइक, बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू एक्सट्रैक्ट द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ यू. अगर तुम अपने काम के लिए, अपने कर्तव्य के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अपने ऊपर ले लोगे ना, तो तुम अपना बेस्ट दोगे। थैंक यू सो मच।